Hello everyone, welcome to Battle of the Ghostwriters, or the Ghost Jockeys. This is a programming challenge between Adam and Leah, and where they'll be creating a project for a theme using only Replit's GhostWriter. So let's introduce the contestants. So, Adam, do you want to introduce yourself first?
So I'm Adam. You may know me on Replit, TechPandaPro. Don't think there's much more to say. I'm just super excited to do this, and yeah.
Leah?
Hi, I'm Leo. I'm here. You probably don't know me, but that's okay.
Yeah, you're quite new in the Replit community, aren't you?
Mm-hmm.
Well, it's great to have you here. Thanks for coming at such short notice. For anyone wondering, Sid was unable to make it today because of something that came up IRL, and Leo agreed to come in at very short notice. So, the Battle of the Ghost Jockeys is a competition between Leo and Adam, and the winner will receive either Hacker Plan if it's Leo or Cycles if it's Adam from me. And they'll only be allowed to use the GhostWriter functionality. They will be allowed to delete code and change anything inside of strings, or if you're using HTML, anything inside of tags. So it's time to announce a theme. There'll be two different themes for you to choose from, and you can use either of them and neither will have bonus points, so it just depends what you want to do. You can either make an advent calendar or a Twitter clone / social media app. So create Adam, what REPL are you going to use? What language? You can use any language.
Well, probably Node.js because that's what I usually use. So, I think GhostWriter will be able to help me the most.
Will you be using any frameworks to make a website, or will you be doing a terminal app?
I mean, I'm still thinking, but probably like maybe Express, make a website or something. Or maybe just static HTML. I really don't know, honestly.
Okay, what about you, Leah?
I'm definitely sticking with static HTML because I've had not the greatest experience with having a bunch of boilerplate with Node.js, but being able to focus on one thing specifically can really help me win this competition.
Okay, great. One thing though, your project does have to be functional, it can't just be aesthetic.
Got it.
So you can create your REPLs in the team, and then you can start planning in Markdown or draw files. You can have until I've explained all of the GhostWriter features to plan. Any questions?
No, I don't think so.
Great. Good luck. First, I'm going to show you the different features of GhostWriter for those of you who don't know what it is. And I will just put my screen up. So, GhostWriter costs 1,000 cycles per month, and it has 4 main features. It has generate code, explain code, transform code, and complete code. And I'll be quickly showing you all these different features before the contestants begin their projects. So the first feature is generate code, and to access that you go into the right click menu and generate code. So here I'll just tell it to make me a full sort function. So you give it a prompt and then it generates code that it thinks will be useful based upon your prompt. So here it's giving me a bubble sort function, and it's also giving me some starting values, which is handy. So if I just make it a bit more random, you can see if I run that, it works perfectly well, and it's now sorted. So that's the first function. The next is explain code. So explain code will do exactly what it says. It will explain the code that you've selected in Python. In English. This is particularly helpful if you're using someone else's code base and you're not sure what it does, or if you're using a different language that you've never used before. So you can see here, it's explaining how the bubble sort works, and then returns it. So the next feature is transform code. So you can do anything here pretty much to change the code. In this case, I'm going to print the sorted list instead of returning it. And press transform. You can see now it's printing list instead. So if I run this, I can remove that and it will work perfectly fine. And finally, there is complete code. You can see it right here. You create a comment and you can write a prompt in that comment, and GhostWriter will complete it for you. For example, if I want a merge sort function, it's now going through and creating this for me, like so. It's not perfect, it's AI, but it's really good and very powerful. Now, let's see what our contestants what they're going to be making. So, Adam, what are you planning to do?
All right. Not much in this markdown file, but I decided to stick to what I said I would do and use Node.js. So that's what I'll be doing. I'll try to build like a Twitter clone. I probably don't know what I'm getting myself into, but we'll see. And I mean, I made like this. Not a fancy design, but so you'll just be able to like type something and then post it, and then it'll like show up like below it, and then you can probably see what everyone else says. Again, probably don't know what I'm getting myself into, but it's okay.
Cool. I look forward to seeing it. So what about you, Leo? What are you going to be making?
I have fairly realized that when you meant functional, you meant server-side functional, so I've also switched to Node.js accordingly. But I had a similar idea. I'm going to have a Twitter clone where you could like posts and you could share posts, and other users can also share posts, and you'll have Replit authentication.
Okay, cool. So how are you going to make this unique?
That's actually the part I was still thinking about, and I'm thinking about having this sort of feature where, since the whole text building is gonna be easy, but I'm thinking about allowing users to also upload images and store them.
Oh, that sounds cool. So you have roughly an hour to make this. How long do you think it will take you?
Probably
Will
the
you
whole
be-
time.
So you're going to be quite pressed for time.
Yeah.
Good. Should be fun. And one thing I've not told the audience yet is that I'll be asking questions along the way, and if you get these wrong, then you'll be punished somehow. And I have a list of punishments and questions. So punishments might mean that you can't use a specific GhostWriter feature for 5 minutes, or that you have to delete one file of your code or function, anything like that. So it's always good to get the questions right. And you can now start creating your projects.
Well, after a failed first attempt, I got Express working. The first time when I wanted to make an Express app, it just generated a comment. So the second time it gave me a proper app. So I have that going.
Yeah. So how are you going to make yours unique?
That is a good question. I'm doing this as I go. Right now, I'm, REPL off. I don't know if that's unique, but hopefully that'll be a nice little touch. So I'm going to try to use that.
Yeah, that would be a great thing to have. Anything to make it a bit more interesting for the user. So
Probably not, given the hour, but again, I'll try.
well, good luck. And let's stick with you and see how you start this. If you want to explain your thought process.
All right. So I'm seeing here. I think I have. Maybe not. First, I'm trying to get it to actually start. It's not loading for some reason. Oh no, that's not good. It's working in the editor. Okay, I don't know what's going on there, but I also don't have time to figure it out. All right, looks like I have REPL off working. It doesn't check the username or anything, but it does that much.
So are you going to be using a database in your project?
Yes, that's the plan. I'll probably just use REPL DB, or yeah, Replit DB.
Cool. What about you, Leah? Are you going to be using REPL DB or something else?
Yeah, Replit DB. I do not think that I would have enough time to set up a database other than Replit DB.
Yeah. Well, I think I might give you the first question now. So the way this works is the first person to answer it correctly gets a prize, and the first person to answer it incorrectly will get a punishment. But only one of you gets something, if that makes sense. So, this first one's about Replit, so Leo, you might not be able to get this one.
Oh,
when
no.
was Replit founded? As in the year.
I'm going to guess like 2015, 2014.
Ooh, interesting. What do you think, Adam?
Okay. I know it became a company in 2016. I'm gonna say 2016. It was founded earlier as not a company in like 2011, I believe. But I'll say 2016 because that's when it became a company.
2009.
Oh wow.
2009 is when it was first originally made, as Amazon wanted a way to code online instead of just sending Word documents between people. It was designed to make life easier, especially in schools. So this means it's time for the first punishments. We both got it wrong, so this will apply to both of you. And you're not allowed to use generate code for 5 minutes.
Oh no.
No.
You just ruined like my whole plan. I just had the thing open.
I will set a timer.
How can I leverage, and I know I had already mentioned this earlier, but like, how can I use autocomplete? Like, am I allowed to type to prompt that?
In comments, yes. You can write comments.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. Okay.
Oh man, I just reached the point where I need to use generate codes. This is gonna be fun.
So you can still use explain code because good documented code is very important. You can use transform code and you can use complete code.
Okay.
And for the audience, these REPLs are public, so I'll put the link to the team with the REPLs in the chat so you can have a look at the progress as it goes along.
Well, GhostWriter isn't helping me as much as I thought it would. It's not giving me anything. Okay.
I'm trying to have it generate HTML, but
Yeah, could you zoom in a little?
oh yeah. There you go.
Great, that's much better, thanks.
Yeah, like it's not helping me at all. One thing I'll do is
What do you mean by modern JS?
like, you know, with like cons instead of R and all that.
I would convert it, but I feel like I might run into some weird module error, and I'm worried I might be too pressed on time.
Ooh, interesting. Yeah, time management will be very important in this challenge.
I almost used generate code. I almost forgot. Are we allowed to use emit abbreviations, like to generate a boilerplate?
No.
Ah, okay.
I'm sure GhostWriter can do that pretty easily.
True, but not when I can't use generate code.
Well, I will give myself a challenge here. I have to make my own project as well using only GhostWriter. Though it won't be as complex as yours, it will be an algorithm suggested by somebody in the comments or the chat. If someone wants to give me an idea.
Yes, I got it working. It's serving static files now.
Ooh.
Progress. Slowly.
You have just over 1 minute left of not being allowed to use generate code,
Okay.
and you've hit the 1 minute mark.
Okay, this is a weird question, but can we copy code and paste it? Like, can we cut code and paste it?
As in move it somewhere else in your file or in your
Yeah.
project.
Mm-hmm.
I don't see why not, no, because GhostWriter still made it. I have been challenged to create an unsupervised learning chess engine AI.
Good luck with that. Have fun.
I don't think I'll be able to do that because I don't know anything about it myself.
I think you'll be fine.
Whoa.
You'll be great.
My timer is going off. You can now use generate code.
Yes, okay, I'm so happy.
How do I stop the timer?
That is good enough, I guess. Before you sleep. Am I allowed to indent? I would assume so.
If it's just for formatting purposes, then yes.
Okay.
In fact, yeah, any indents are allowed because it's just white space. You're allowed white space.
Right. Yeah.
Well, I don't know anything about this chess challenge I've been given, but I think I should probably give it a go. So I will on screen up.
Hear me out. Here's my idea. Use generate code and just type unsupervised learning chess engine AI and see
That
what
was the
happens.
plan. That was my plan. Unsupervised learning chess AI. Let's see. I don't expect miracles. Have either of you thought of a name for your project yet?
Oh, what?
Name.
Oh, no.
I have not. And I'm also not incredibly creative, so I wouldn't expect me to, but we'll see.
I know the feeling there. Well, GhostWriter doesn't seem to have any ideas for this chess one. Someone wants me to use my CSS skills and make an arc boost for Discord.
speaking of Arc, is that public yet?
No, it's still in closed beta.
Nice. If it comes out for Windows one time, maybe I'll give it a try. But
Oh, that's a very good suggestion. Um, did you see the video about Arc on Windows?
no, I don't think I did.
It's really interesting. You should watch it later.
Yeah, definitely.
Attempted relative import, no, because well, that makes sense. Let's try using generate complete code. Yes. Yeah, I'm not sure. I don't think this project will be getting done. Either me
You
or
tried.
GhostWriter has any idea. So, Leo, what have you got so far?
I made an input.
So is this harder than you thought it would be?
Definitely, yes.
And what about you, Adam?
Well, I don't know. It's not really harder than I expected, but it is definitely difficult. As great as GhostWriter is, I do not recommend building an entire project with it.
So you feel like you'd be more efficient if you were writing your own code as well as GhostWriter?
Yes.
Yes.
No, I'll cancel that that project I had planned.
So far, for those of you who are wondering what I've accomplished in like 20 minutes, is a blank web page. Actually, no, I take that back. It has a button and an input. For those of you wondering.
Great.
This will
So
turn
what
out
will-
well.
So why using an input field?
Oh yeah, well, because again, this is what I was thinking, and I don't expect it to look anything like this. It'll probably look more like this. But yeah, so anyways, the input field will be to type, your tweet, so to speak, and then you can post it. Maybe a text area would be better, but,
Maybe. I just realised this isn't really very entertaining for the audience. Okay, next question. In Python, what is true plus true?
I'm gonna have to go with
No.
So Adam, you
I
have
think
two?
it's 2.
You both think it's 2?
Yes, because
Yeah.
in JavaScript, true plus true is 2. But Python.
But I mean, the thing is that Python does have like a better type system, which is what's throwing me off though. So I feel like I'm probably incorrect here.
Yeah, but that's my best guess.
So you're both sticking with 2.
You're making me not want to say.
Yeah.
Well, I'll just say this: 2 is true.
It is?
It is.
Oh my god, thank goodness.
I
I'm
was
glad I
shocked when I
left
tried
it.
that earlier. Well, you both got it right, so we'll just leave it at that. No punishments.
Good, because
And-
I can't even do this without punishments.
And I'll do one more question. No.
Oh no.
On a web REPL, where was the web view originally located?
Oh, I saw this. On the left side, right? Like in the old days, I think it was on the left side of the editor.
Interesting. What about you, Leah?
I do not know because I have never seen that in my life.
Well,
No, it's the old rebel, right?
you have a
Oh,
1 in
yeah.
4 chance. One of the 4
Okay.
corners.
I'll say bottom right.
Bottom right. What? So which corner do you think, Adam?
Was it in a corner?
It was in a corner. I can confirm it was in a corner.
I'll say to stick with my left, because I think I said left. I'll say top left.
Leo was correct. It was the bottom right. So
Actually, yeah, I think I do remember that. Because I was watching a video with Amjad the other day, and he was talking about it. Yeah, but my memory.
It was.
Oh well.
I was watching the RepelCon keynote again this morning, and that's where I got it from. That's what you're watching.
All right, bring on the punishment.
Oh my goodness.
Leo, why don't you decide Adam's punishment?
Oh no.
But you can't give any time longer than 5 minutes. 5
Okay.
minutes is the maximum.
Okay, so I feel like
So-
to generate code is the worst punishment. I don't think there's a better. I think there's a better
Well,
punishment there.
You can't do that. We've just had that.
Okay, so
You
not
need
that
to be
one, not
original.
that one. Okay.
So it doesn't have to be just blocking a GhostWriter feature. It can be
yeah,
anything you
right.
want.
Okay.
You could delete this send input function that he has.
Oh,
Yeah,
don't
he can.
No.
Yeah, can you delete your whole Node.js code?
No,
Oh
no,
no.
not everything.
Oh, okay.
No, not the whole thing. Sorry, the one that's importing Express. That file, the Express
Just
file.
this?
Yeah, just that
Like all
file.
this? Should I? Okay, I guess I have to. There we go. Okay. Back to square zero.
Good luck.
Dylan, though, just to confirm, so I can change any string like this?
Yes.
Okay.
I hadn't entirely thought about URLs when I did that. Oh, IDs.
I have a curiosity. I wonder. By the way, nice Comic Sans again.
Oh yeah, yeah. I've almost just forgotten about it. I've had it for so long. It's just normal now.
I was wondering about that font. I was looking at it. I'm like, that doesn't seem normal.
You can actually change the font on themes if you use GraphQL.
And in case any of you want to see the pain of using GhostWriter for this, I just prompted Express app and it gave this back. So, you know, I mean, I guess I could do this, but I don't think this is gonna work. Oh, okay, maybe it will.
Just to clarify, Lewis has said that editing strings can be exploited because you can write an eval function and put all the code inside the string. I did think of that earlier and forgot to mention that that is not allowed.
Yeah,
But,
yeah, that does make sense.
Yeah, I'm sure you could have guessed.
Oh, I see what. Yeah, okay, I see.
Oh my god, I actually have a thing that works.
Oh, what is it?
You could insert messages and then you could like
Ooh.
you could actually send out things. It's definitely not server side yet, it's just client side so far. But I'm very glad that that's able to work.
I'm still setting up my Express app.
I'm going to suggest making a form, because then you can press enter to submit.
Oh yeah, true. I could make a form. That would be. All right. All right, GhostWriter.
Can I move lines? You know,
Can't use
with the
transform.
alt stuff. What?
Can't use transform.
I'll try. I don't really know what I would prompt it. Yeah, that doesn't work.
Yeah, you can move it.
Okay. Whoops. Well, Leo, you're doing better than me. I just now have my input. Non-functional, might I add.
I was actually having a moment with GhostWriter and we were doing well, and then it suddenly doesn't want to generate things.
Like, you might both need a bit more time on this than we have. I did actually try using RepLDB with GhostWriter yesterday when I was making the raffle website for the showcase, and it doesn't work very well. It doesn't know what RepLDB is.
Oh.
So I was using Python, so I don't know if it's different in JavaScript.
Yeah, probably. Oh, come on. It just generated jQuery code for the server side.
Oh yeah, it did that to me too.
we are halfway through the stream.
Oh
so
my god.
half of your time is gone. But also, stop
Oh,
before going.
Oh no.
You're not allowed to do anything else now.
Wait, okay, so we just stopped. We just stopped completely. Okay.
Yep,
Okay.
completely stop.
I just leave my generate code generating.
Leave your apples.
Oh, leave them?
Go on
Okay,
to-
okay.
Go onto the team
Leave
page.
them.
Yep, go onto the team page.
Oh no.
Uh,
Oh no, I know what you're gonna do. Oh no.
I'm very. I don't know what this implies. That's not. Oh no. No. No, 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 no. Oh my god, I just realized what this implies.
Yep, you're swapping apples.
No.
Okay, there we go. We have.
Okay, so I can join Leo's then.
And you are that one. Okay. Oh my god, you actually have a post request thing.
I was finally starting to get that to work.
That actually, so my front end might be better developed, but your back end is better developed, and this is. Oh god.
Alright, let's see.
This
what we
isn't a
have.
permanent change, by the way. You have 15 minutes.
Wait,
But
what
wouldn't
does
we
that
be
mean?
better?
Okay,
But
okay,
wouldn't
so
we be better off then to just leave each other's as is? Like delete all the code and then. No, I won't actually, but.
okay, so
Well, you could do
so
that.
this isn't like. Oh,
I'm
we
not
can
gonna
do that.
sabotage.
You could,
Okay.
but you shouldn't, because
So-
that's not very
Yeah,
fun.
no,
Yeah, that's not very nice. That's not very nice.
Why don't you try and help each other?
Okay.
Or make life harder for them whilst adding to their code.
Okay, let's see. What do we have here? So, pretty simple backend. Form, tweets.
There we go.
Oh, but this doesn't send anything to the server.
That is string. There we go. Okay. Formatting.
You know, GhostWriter autocomplete hasn't showed up once for me.
I got it to work in Node.js, but not in HTML.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Have you definitely got it enabled?
Yeah, it is. I checked.
Okay.
Yeah,
let's
see,
see the
enable.
design again.
Interesting.
Here. Okay.
But realize I'm not really typing anything. But the few times that I have, it hasn't worked. Does it still show me in that truffle? Shouldn't.
Do you know what GhostWriter has been trained on?
Is this a trivia question or just?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, in that case,
I'm thinking the entirety of public Replit code as well as open source licensed GitHub code.
yeah, I'm gonna go with like open source code. I don't know from where exactly, but just open source code probably on GitHub.
And Oh yeah, and I do know that since GhostWriter isn't owned by GitHub, it has to be like open source license only, like Apache, just not like GPL or anything like that, or unlicensed.
Well, Adam, you said open source GitHub, so you weren't very specific, so I'm going to say that's wrong. Because it was open source rebels.
No. Well, actually, this is a yes for me. Wait, no, this actually is a no for me, because you're working on my REPL.
Wait. This is a brain twister.
So, as you're getting everything wrong, it's time for another punishment.
Oh no.
Yeah, I'm
This
not doing
time-
very good today.
This time, you have to stop what you're doing
Okay, I stopped.
Oh no.
Oh god.
and you have to complete a challenge in Python.
In Python, okay.
Oh,
I'm
no.
making a...
Okay.
Leo, you're not doing it.
Oh, I'm not doing it. Oh, that's right, yeah, because I'm...
Can we leverage GhostWriter? That's
No.
my question.
No.
Wait, no? I
No.
can't?
Oh,
Can
okay.
you battle in the team?
Oh yeah,
Any
let me make it
Python
in the team, sorry. Let me
You-
see.
You can select the team from the REPL menu.
Oh. Duh. I don't usually use teams, so...
You have to create a bubble sort algorithm using Python, and no GhostWriter.
Oh no. No, I can't do that.
You know how a bubble sort works, right?
Well, I learned it once upon a time, but I have not used it in probably like a year, so... Am I allowed to look up the algorithm?
Okay, yes. So you can't copy and paste any code. You have to completely write it yourself.
Okay. Because, again, I used it once, and I'm kind of mad at myself for not remembering, but...
Oh no.
This is not good. This is not good at all. And what happens if I am not able to complete?
Well, nothing. You just won't be able to work on your own projects.
Oh no. Okay, so I can't do... Okay,
Speaking of, you have 9 minutes before switching back.
I guess I need to take in an array. And of course, I am not going to be able to think now that I'm on stream.
So
But
you
it does have pseudocode here, so I can try to leverage that.
So do you understand what it is now? Do
What?
you understand what the algorithm is?
I mean, I think I remember. Doesn't it just? I think it just goes like in sets of 2, and then it just starts over again. I think until they're all sorted, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but then once they're all sorted, then it is done. Because, like I said, I did learn it. I just needed a refresher. But I don't remember how it's implemented, honestly. Can I copy paste this for reference so that I don't have to keep switching tabs?
No.
Oh, okay.
So
Wow, Dylan, really making this hard for me.
how is your work on Adam's REPL going, Leo?
I began styling it. It's now in the center, like he envisioned.
Yeah.
Clean up some of the wording. I have not done any back-end work though. Sorry about that.
So, Leo, do you typically, like, what's your typical languages that you use?
TypeScript, and if I'm doing front-end, I usually use Kit.
Nice, okay. I know, that was pressure on me. Oh, and by the way, I have the Wikipedia page up to the side. You just can't see it. If you want, I can share my whole screen.
Fine.
But it's just this way I don't have to keep switching tabs. Oh, do I need to turn off autocomplete?
Yes. Well, you don't need to turn it off. You just aren't allowed to use it.
Well, but I can just type what it says, so, you know. Because I don't really use Python, so I don't remember how to do for loops.
No.
Wait, am I allowed? Okay, is this allowed? Dylan.
Well, I mean, I guess I didn't say it wasn't allowed.
Okay. Let's just go with W3 schools because
Well,
normally I wouldn't, but
well. I'm guessing.
right now I'm just desperate to get it done. Okay.
I'm guessing you would have been more comfortable with JavaScript.
Yes, but hey, it's a challenge.
Okay, you have 5 minutes and
I
20
can't-
seconds to complete that.
Oh no.
Oh,
Okay,
goodness.
let's see.
Feel bad for
And
Adam
then-
now.
So, whoops. Didn't mean to open that. Okay, so let's see. So I'm just gonna try to implement what I see here. So I think it's just, if I remember right, I can do like again, I don't use Python a lot, but I'm trying to remember. How do you get the length of an array?
There's a very simple 3-letter function.
Oh wait, is it? I know.
Yep.
Again, I rarely use Python, so I mean, I used it. I know how to use them, but I just forgot, if that makes sense. Okay, let's see.
I will supply you with your input.
Okay, I might be figuring it out now. It's just the pressure of being here on stream. Partially. So even though I don't know Python, that's just part of the reason.
Yeah.
Is because of that. Let's see, so swap. Oh, but how do you swap two elements in Python? I'll just do this manually. Tim. Can I make a second function for swapping? Or do you want it to all be in one?
Well, there's one function that you call, but you can call another function inside of that function.
Yeah, so I can make a function and call it inside of here, right?
Yes.
Just for clean code, so that I can read what I'm doing. I don't know if there's an easier way to do this in Python. But I am not sure. Whoops. You can see this is how much I use JavaScript. So Tim.
2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Oh no. Alright. Wait, no, this doesn't make sense. Tim. Yeah, okay, and then hopefully this is valid in Python. Okay, so then oh, I forgot Booleans are capitalized.
So, how far have you got now, Leo? Is it? How functional
Oh
is it?
yeah. Okay. So good news for Adam. I got your post request thing to work. You have an output div, and I am currently trying to fight GhostWriter to get some information from the Replit authentication.
Okay,
Nice.
interesting. Remember that the headers that you want, you will need to input as strings.
Oh no.
Um, okay, how do I break from a Python while loop?
Adam, have a quick look at the stream.
How would that swap them though?
That's how it
Oh,
works in
oh,
Python.
I see. Yeah, again, I'm not familiar with Python syntax. But it's okay, I already added a swap function, which is like 4 more lines
15.
than it needs to be.
14, 13,
Wait, what?
12,
Is it sorted?
11, 10,
Apparently not. Okay, here's my sorting algorithm.
5, 4,
Here-
3, 2, 1. Swap repls.
Oh yeah, that's...
Oh god, I'm so...
Repls.
Wait, so do I have to stop this?
Yep, you go back to your original repl.
Okay, okay.
don't just
I
don't worry
really
about what's
wanna
in the
come back
server
to this
code. Just
later, because now
don't
I
worry about that.
I
too
feel like
much.
I need to finish it.
You can finish your algorithm later.
Yeah,
Off
if I
stream
don't
if you want
finish
to.
it on stream, I am definitely going to go do it off stream when we're done. because now I wrote most of it, but apparently it just doesn't work. Okay, let's see. All right, let's see. What do we have here?
Okay.
Oh, you did quite a bit
So
of
what
stuff.
changes did you? Oh yeah, there's I forgot to warn you. I tried to make some edits to whatever message generated in your post request.
Yeah, I'm.
You can remove it. It's there. It's great. I know. Amazing.
Okay, let's see. Is that a package then? Oh yeah. I know Replit 3.0 is a new feature. Where is Replit?
There is
Oh.
half an hour until the end of the stream.
Okay.
Seems like a good time for another question.
Already?
Though admittedly, I
Alright.
don't.
Alright.
You were working at that algorithm for over 10 minutes. I actually don't have.
Really showing my Python skills.
I don't have very many more punishments. So, very easy question. What is the best code editor?
Replit.
Do we even need to ask?
Is this like?
Replit.
This isn't like this isn't Fortnite.
So, Adam, you got that. You got that wrong. The hesitation.
Oh, Code Mirror. It's just say Code Mirror. I love Code Mirror.
Wait, the bet. Oh, you mean like the best?
Vim.
Wait, I'm
First answer is what
confused.
counts.
I'm confused. What's happening?
I don't know either.
I just discovered a new Replit feature.
What?
I didn't know that you can double click on the tab pane and it makes it full screen.
Oh yeah, I
Wait,
found that out
what?
like yesterday.
Whoa, that's cool.
Okay, so I guess I can remove this. I guess it's that easy then. Oh, I need to generate code though.
Adam, do you think you deserve another punishment for getting that wrong?
Wait, so what was the correct answer?
Replit. But you said it.
Didn't I say
Later.
Replit?
You said second. You said it second.
Wait, what?
It should have.
Oh,
You should have
I
said it
see,
instantly.
Okay, you got me. I don't know, I feel like I do since I didn't finish the algorithm.
Well,
Quick, use generate code while I still can. Okay, what's my punishment?
let's have a look.
Oh no.
If your
What's
coin
this?
is heads, if the coin is heads, I'll reflip it. If it's heads, then you will get punishment. If it's tails, you don't get punishment.
Well, you already flipped it once.
Heads.
Yes,
There we
yes.
go. Okay.
Well, that was a 50-50 chance, so... You are not allowed to transform code for 2 minutes.
Okay. That's not too bad. I can live with it. Generic code is not being very helpful right now. Like, I'm trying to phrase this in like every way possible. Oh, but I can't transform code. Okay.
Yeah, the whole get user info thing completely stumped me.
Yeah, I have an idea, but I need to use transform code. How much longer do I have before I can use it?
1 minute.
Okay. What can I do during that time?
Yeah. Buddy, they are not allowed to write their own code. They're using the 4 different GhostWriter features. Speaking of, has explain code been used at all?
Well, okay, let's see. I'm gonna take time to see what my code is doing. There you go. For everyone wondering who doesn't know Node.js and Express, here's what my code does.
I have never actually used Express.
Oh, you
Oh,
haven't?
that's that.
No.
Whoa, that's like. Oh, did you like immediately use like Fastify?
I don't know what Fastify is.
It's similar to Express, basically. Like the same, you know.
I always use Flask. Oh,
Nice.
you are
Ah,
allowed
that's
to
your sense,
transform.
okay.
I've used Flask once during Replit creates. I used it, but that's it.
I really like it. It's a good library.
Okay, let's see, what do I have here? Okay, so to make sure this is working, I'm gonna just...
So do either of you have a working project yet with a database?
No.
Given that there's only 20 minutes until the end of the stream,
No.
the stream's remaining time, you should probably focus on that.
True. Okay, well this is
Oh,
working.
GhostWriter.
Can I use transform code yet?
Essentially.
Okay, let's go. Okay. I'm gonna be very verbose here. Yes, it's working. Okay, that's good.
I forgot that I could change strings. I've been trying to have it listen to submit, but I think that's what's confusing it. So I'm just gonna just use that, and hopefully I could finally get a post endpoint and express. No. Oh. Oh my god. Finally. Okay, change the string, and there we go.
So what do you think of the challenge? Is it enjoyable?
I'll be honest, I'm having fun.
I am too.
I don't know
yeah.
how. I don't know how I'm having fun, but I am.
No.
Yeah, this is definitely something I would do again if I had the chance. Even though I don't have anything working yet. But I'm getting close to having Replit working. I'm trying to log the...
I have an interesting prize for the person who gets the next question correct.
Oh, a prize.
Alright.
Oh my god. I'm so silly. I actually did a human mistake.
It is a very good prize.
I don't know if this is sarcasm.
Oh, I feel like it's the fact that you can like write. You can actually write code for like 30 seconds or something. Because that's like the best prize I could think of.
Is it?
Okay, you know that's a good point. Other than like, okay, you do make a valid statement.
Yes! I got Replit working.
No.
I finally
No.
got GhostWriter to write one line of code. I've been trying to get it to write this line of code for like forever.
I'm looking at my questions that I've prepared, and I don't think there's a good one for this. I need to look one up. Because you should both have an equal chance at this one. So the first person to get the question correct will win the prize. There won't be a punishment for the person who doesn't get it correct.
Alright.
Oh, who's second?
All right. Okay.
Let's have a look.
And ReplitDB is connected. Or
Woo!
it actually, I got it to work. I just said like import replit/database as database, and it worked. It added this as well, but I just deleted that. So now I can use Replit database. And you can see I have the user info down here, so that's working.
I have found that for one-liners, just transforming like a comment and then telling it to turn it into code has proven very helpful.
Yeah.
Interesting.
I thought that one would be. I'm surprised it's not been used more from what I've seen. Surely that's not right. What? What? Well, I found a very weird JavaScript fact to quiz you on. So, there won't be a punishment if you get it wrong, as I said.
Alright. Oh my god, I love JavaScript internals.
And you can guess as many times as you would like.
Alright. What is it?
Oh god.
Can you both see the stream?
The stream, yeah?
See it? Yeah, I can.
Okay, I will put it on the screen right now. The first person to say the correct answer gets a very, very good prize.
Oh.
What will that return in JavaScript? Without testing it, of course.
Okay, without testing it, let's see.
6. That's my first guess.
6 is
I
wrong.
think okay, I think it will I think what's gonna do is that it's gonna turn them both into strings, and then it's just going to do the 1, 2, 3 and then 4, 5, 6, but with the strings as it. Like it'll be like open bracket 1, 2, 3, close bracket, open bracket 4, 5, 6, close bracket.
So you're saying it would look something like, one sec. Are you saying it would look like?
Wait, no. No, hold on. I just realized that.
Are you saying it would look like this?
No, I don't think it will append it to Erase Theater. Definitely not. But I just realized that when you add, no, okay, yeah, I was thinking something like here. I'll send it in here.
I mean, I'll be honest. I saw someone say an answer in the chat, so now I don't want to say that. But I'm trying to think. If you convert an array to a number, what do you get? Which,
Oh, if you convert an array to a number, it'll be 0. So then 0 plus 0 will just be 0, right? Then it'll be 0. Is that what you're talking about? That yeah, because if you
That's wrong.
Okay.
It's not
That
0.
means I can keep guessing. I thought that was the answer in the chat, and I was like, okay.
all right.
Gee, that's an interesting one. Also, why is my generate code still not generating? Like, it's
Wait,
been
no,
generating,
okay,
like,
I
this
just
whole
realized
time.
when an array turns into a string, it leaves out the brackets. So would it be something like this? This is, I think that's my final answer. That's my final answer.
Let's have a look. Correct.
Yes.
I'll put it in the chat because when I saw that I was very confused. I don't know why it works like that.
Yeah, I was thinking about, because there was this whole thing with like type conversions, and I remember that when I was making this JavaScript interpreter, arrays would just remove the brackets, and I'm like, oh, so then it's probably just gonna turn them into strings. But my first guess was wrong. But okay, that's nice. Well,
Yeah,
not nice.
congrats.
That's not good. That's not good for JavaScript.
So well, I mean, you already guessed what it was. You can write your own code.
How long does he get this for?
You can have it for
Oh wait, we're supposed to do that
90
now?
seconds.
90 seconds. Okay.
Oh, that's too long. I'm biased though.
What? Gonna get this.
now I'm scared. And my generate code still isn't generating. Like it has been trying to generate for the past. I hope you can't get rate limited with GhostWriter, right?
I don't
Unless
think
it's
so.
got an error.
I don't know what's inside the Replit off object. It's gonna mess me up. Okay, let's go here then.
Replit off
Yeah,
object
it's
is
giving me an error
Bitch.
when I try to generate. I'll try maybe my wording's just wrong.
So, Adam, you've not got a single question correct. and I feel a little bad. So,
Oh wait, is
You-
it time over? I think it is, right?
no, you still got a bit more
Okay,
time.
cool.
So, Adam,
It's okay. I'm just taking all the damage for Leo.
you get to delete some of Leo's project, but your time is now up. You can't write
Okay.
anymore.
Got it.
So Adam, you can delete.
All right.
You can delete this here, where it runs his app, or you can delete his entire HTML file, or this fetch function inside of the JavaScript, or the CSS. Your choice.
But not the HTML.
Interesting. Leo, you probably shouldn't have said that. I don't know if I'm not mean though. You know what? I'm gonna delete the fetch function.
The fetch function is now gone.
Going forever.
And by the way, now that my screen is up, take a look at this amazing Ghost Jockey.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, so my friend may have been set back a bit, but I got this.
Yeah, I can't get it to do this because when I try to put this in generate code and nothing happens, like it just does this forever, and I don't know why, but maybe do I need to say,
Yeah,
like,
whenever it just like takes forever, I just try to do something else different.
yeah, but like I can't figure out how.
So this challenge is making you think a bit more about how you're writing it.
Well, yeah, it is.
Yeah, I think
I don't
this.
have the luxury to write it and then delete it.
If you have 9 minutes until the end of the challenge,
And what do I have to show for it?
I think
I have an input and a button, and they log to the console. That is my Twitter. Okay, I'm determined to get as far as I can, though. That seems like an odd prompt, but I'm gonna try it. Because by this point, I don't even know what to.
object destruction on vec.query.post.
That wording's a little weird, but I don't really know how to phrase it, and for some reason, it's not generating. So I don't know if I've hit a limit, but my generate code is just not generating. It's like, let's see, can I generate a hello world?
Should use Python. Oh man, I need to know the structure of this. What? Oh, that's helpful. Did not realize it. Did not realize I could just get the. There we go. Okay. It's not loading. What do we have?
Alright, I think I broke generate code. I think that's safe to say. It has officially stopped working.
Let me get browse the files. What do we have? Okay. All right.
Yes, it did it! Finally!
No.
I've been trying to get this line of code for way too long.
Wait, did I delete something? Okay, there we go.
Okay, I'm not sure how helpful this is going to be, but I have another prize and another question on JavaScript.
Alright.
Like last time, I'll put it up on the banner. So what does this return in JavaScript? First person to get it right gets
2.
an amazing prize.
Oh, what does that return? Yeah, it returns 2.
Correct. Adam got that one first.
No.
Yes!
So your prize is that I will join your REPL and I am allowed to code.
No.
Interesting.
But
For
you
how
have
long?
to tell me what to do.
Interesting.
And
Let's see, okay. Can you work on getting that post into the database? So, I don't know if you use Node.js enough to know how to do that, but basically, it needs to set.
it needs to be more specific.
Let me see.
Also, you can't stop working. You need to keep going.
Oh, I have to? Okay. So it needs to use dbSet to set, like the posts to an array of posts or something like that.
Where am I doing this?
In the backend, so in index.js, and then I'm actually gonna return. Whoops.
You want me to add this to the database? Okay. Oh god.
So it should be an object. I'm not sure how specific I need to be, but it should be an object with the author's username and their post that they want to post.
Oh no. So you want me to add a post? So what will the key be?
Yes.
The key, I mean, it can be whatever. Huh. I just tried to replace code and it didn't. It like errored. So yeah, whatever you want, and then the value would be an object. So basically the equivalent of a Python dictionary. Pretty much.
And it would have... How do I append it instead? I need to get it first. So I need to make sure it's not undefined.
Yeah, I don't know why it's doing this, but it's not letting me replace.
Posts.
Interesting. Okay, what's something I can do? I know you said I need to be working, so that's something I can have. I guess I can work on some styling.
I don't know if this will work. I don't use Node enough for this. Can I do a triple equals to check if it's undefined?
Yeah.
If I is equal to undefined, then value.
I don't know why undefined isn't being highlighted. Like syntax highlighted. Anyways. Alright, what I'm gonna work on while you're doing that is I'm gonna work on fetching the posts.
Cool. And we clearly don't have enough time as we're supposed to be finishing now. So let's just keep going. If you're still available, Leo.
Yeah, sure.
Right. So then so you don't set. I'm being very helpful here. which happened. Okay, so what did you want in here? You wanted the user object and
So
the
for an
post.
array in JavaScript, it's the not the curly braces, it's like the square ones.
Yeah.
For an array. So why did it generate this as a comment? So this should be there you go. And then this should be curly braces.
Yeah.
And in JS it's push instead of append.
Is it?
Yeah. I think there's like prepend, if I remember correctly. Actually, no, I think that's only for HTML. But yeah, push is fine.
So what do you want inside of this? You want the post. It can be like that.
Yeah, correct. And then I want the username of the person who posted it.
Right. But I don't have access to that. So... Oh, it's in... Right, never mind. It's that. Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So whatever it is in RepLoft, I don't remember. I can check if you need me to. I don't know how much I'm allowed to, or how much I need to help. Cannot find module Replit database. I guess I need to install it or something. I'm gonna reload the page because Replit's being glitchy.
For the people in chat wondering, dot append is from Python, and I mainly use Python, which is why I got confused.
Yeah, I think I remember that being. So is append like the only way to add something to an array then in Python?
Oh, you could use plus equals. And then there are other methods as well, like you could specifically set like the first value in the list.
Interesting.
So where does this come from? Oh no. I somehow opened a TypeScript file for the module. For the module, I opened a TypeScript file. Next, yes. No. No! What have I done? What have I done? What have I done? Right, okay, there we go. Will this work? I think that would work because you're already getting that, and if you console login it, then it'll be. Oh, okay. Nice. Sorry.
Just making sure you can remove code perfectly, right? Just remove stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, you can remove it. That is enough help for me. Wasn't very helpful.
I don't know, because now I can use transform code to fix it up a little bit. Well, actually, I'm gonna need to. Actually, does that work? It probably does. I'm gonna need to generate. Yeah, my generate code doesn't seem to like me anymore. Like, it entirely refuses to generate any code for me. So I don't know if I hit like a rate limit or what, but
what do you want generating?
well, I was trying to prompt it to make a post endpoint, but I mean that's okay. It just adds a little twist for me.
I think you've already been at the disadvantage here. Very prompt to generate. What do you want generating? I'll generate it for you.
Try what I put there in the comment.
Listen.
I don't know what's most effective with GhostWriter. Like, I'm sure there's probably a certain way you need to talk to it, but I'm not sure what that way is.
You got a very helpful completion there. I hope that helps. Right, I will have a look at what you've got so far. So hopefully it will be working.
I actually, yes, okay, I finally got it to put in the name. All you need to do is add the message and then put it in the database, and then I think I'm done.
Cool. So let's have a look at Adam's one first.
Oh no.
No. Where? I didn't refresh it.
Let's just say nothing's gonna happen.
Oh. Great.
I think you can try it. I'm mostly working on the back end right now. I'm working on something to fetch all the tweets.
Well, let's have a look at Leo's then. And you can have 9 minutes to finish.
9?
Yes, 9 minutes.
9 minutes? Okay.
Okay. Yeah, you cut out. That's why I was asking, but okay. By the way, you have a question in the chat, Dylan.
What is that browser? I'm using Arc. It's a very new browser, and it's currently only out for macOS. But it's really good. Looks like yours isn't quite working, Leo.
Just
Yeah,
Dylan, pretend that you typed undefined. Just pretend.
Yeah. Just the stuff stuff you typed in undefined. Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
You basically look at that.
There you go.
Oh wow, that's crazy. Oh my god.
Amazing.
I wonder what will happen if I do.
I'm pretty. Yeah, no. There's no XSS. I use text content. So I'm sorry. I know the grief and sadness of no XSS is truly.
That is actually what I was thinking. I just need to confirm this. Ooh.
Okay, what happened?
Sure?
At the moment you did that, I actually changed it to just reply with request. So that's what happened. I'm sorry. It's disappointing. I know.
Yeah.
All right. So, I have an idea, kind of a loophole, if you will. What if and if you don't want me to do this, I won't. But you had added a thing for, getting these. So am I allowed to duplicate this using transform, like I usually just type that, and then move it up here? Because I'm having trouble getting it to get that.
Okay.
But I'll only do it if you're fine with it.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Although it's not duplicating, unfortunately. Alright, my plan is a little flawed because it's not duplicating.
There we go. There we go, okay. No! I feel so silly. Oh my god, why did I just get request.key? No, okay. I actually just forgot to do this. Please don't tell me I forgot to do this. Give me that, give me that, give me that. Okay.
Well, there's one thing to take away from today. It's that you probably shouldn't use GhostWriter on its own.
No.
It works best when you're helping it.
Did that actually work? Okay, that feels too close to cheating. That feels too close to cheating. Let's see. We'll try that. Okay, that's fine with me. I feel too silly right now. I think I just forgot how to use Normal Express. I've been using SvelteKit for so long that I just forgot how Express works. Give me a second as I look at some. Let's see what we have. Well, that's an error. Oh, that's an error.
Alright, I just found a bit of an interesting thing.
What?
So, as you know, I can't use generate code. But if you highlight white space, you can use transform code. And then use that. Whoops, I didn't.
I feel like that's cheating.
Is it?
Me too.
Yeah, because
Like,
you
so
literally...
I'm not typing the actual code. Like,
I
But
feel too close.
you wrote console log hello world. It was just without the
okay,
parentheses,
that's
quotation
fair.
marks, and full stop.
that is fair. Okay, what if I say log hello world to the console? Is that allowed?
Well, you only have 5 minutes, so yes.
Okay.
Speaking of, is it time for another question? Though I don't have...
It depends. Is there a prize?
Yes,
Good.
Well.
Then yes, definitely.
kind of.
We'll see.
Let's see. I just need to find out what this returns to make sure I'm correct.
Alright, I'm making progress. You know, it looks so weird because of how hard I'm trying just for like a few lines, just for like a few characters of code.
I know, right?
Like, I've been stuck on this for quite some time. But I think I'm starting to get it to work now.
Good, good. So, what does
and I
this
can change
return?
it.
Is that an SQL?
No, it's JavaScript.
0.
Oh no, I saw like select something in the stream and I'm like, huh.
Oh, yeah, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Okay, I won't worry about it.
It's just GhostWriter. I'm trying to use, SQL. Is it 0?
0.
No? Okay. Not a number?
Fine, I'll give JSON. I'll give JSON.
It is a number.
What does the plus sign mean? I'm trying to think.
Oh wait, is there a thing? Oh, there's that. Okay, let me think. Let's see. Okay, so will it convert? I think it would. Okay, so an array when you convert it to a boolean is false. Doubling it, that's true, and true to a number is 1. 1. I'm thinking 1.
Correct.
Nice.
So, Adam, you now have to.
What? What is it?
You have to leave your Replit. You have to go and help Leo.
Oh.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah,
Okay.
help me.
However, we are at the time limit, so you are allowed to add 1 line of code to Leo's project, and then we're both finished. We're all finished.
Okay. Okay. Are you in? Are you in?
No, not yet. I'm pulling
Okay.
up.
And Leo, you can carry on until he's finished writing the code.
So I can only add 1 line of code.
Or
1
10.
line of code, and you can't use semicolons to cheat.
Semicolon.
And it is what
What do you mean?
Leo will ask you to.
Okay. So quick question.
Oh, it has to be what
God.
Leo asked.
There we go. Yeah. Can
Well,
you
that's no
fix
fun.
this?
I would have just. I should. You know what I would have done? I would have just killed the process and then.
Can you
Process kill 1 and then. Yeah. No, I'm kidding. I won't actually do that. Okay, what do you want me to do?
So can you do like info.name and it'll be like it's like name of user and then a colon and then their message. And by the way, I'm just saying that this body returns undefined. You want to see the code that returns it, just go to public/index.js.
Okay, so am I allowed to? So I'm allowed to type, or do I have to?
Yes, you can type.
I can type. Okay.
No.
No, I know what I'm. Oh wait, no, I'm using the wrong type of.
Yeah.
There we go. Like this.
Okay. Interesting. Interesting.
Is that what you wanted, or would you rather the, like, plus?
No. The template string is fine. I'm thinking more of like something like you're saying like you put like the name, and then you do the response.
Oh wait.
Yeah.
I don't know what I'm thinking. Like that? Oh wait, what did I do? Wait, where'd it go?
Oh, you
That wasn't me.
backtick.
What did
You need a backtick right here. Backtick and a close parentheses.
Okay. I don't know. Ah! I can't type. And I
think I
felt
just-
it. Like this, and then remove. Is this what you wanted?
Yes. And one
Okay.
one last thing. Since you're already here on that
Can
one
I
line
do
again,
one last thing?
it's still on that same exact line. Request that body returns undefined.
Okay, what is it?
And instead of looking it up, because I don't want to look it up, if you go to public/index.js, why do you think body is undefined? In your own personal professional opinion.
That is a great question. Let me.
All right. Well, I'm gonna head out. I think it's been like an hour since I usually eat.
We have just finished the projects. Anyway.
This isn't
Oh.
running. For some reason. Why?
I think your changes didn't apply. I think they just didn't actually go through. Hold on. There we go.
Okay. There we go.
Okay.
So let me see. Oh, that's mine. Let me open yours.
Remember that the only message that you can send is undefined. That's the only message you're allowed to send.
Definitely. So,
I'm just a little stumped why it's undefined. Oh. Oh well.
I think we've had plenty of time and
There we go.
not have the results that we want. So, and Adams has returned got a paused request, and Leo's returns undefined.
Undefined.
However, I need to have one more thing. Neither of them you can press enter to send it. So I think it's a draw.
It's a draw.
Yeah.
You forgot one important element. My messages return your username, and then undefined.
That is a very good point.
Yeah, I do make a good point. See?
Yeah. So in addition to the hacker plan that I've given you, I will also tip one of your repels because that's the only way to give cycles right now.
I'm still curious about that whole undefined thing.
Oh, I genuinely think it's because I forgot to include Express's JSON body part.
Oh.
Yeah, because that's what I was thinking.
But you're not. Yeah, this isn't even JSON. Like you forgot to put this in an object.
Oh yeah, that's my only REPL.
Yeah, it should be a JSON string.
There you go.
Perfect.
Thank you for taking part, both of you.
You too.
That was really fun.
That was.
It was weird and had unexpected things, but it was really fun. So, thank you both for coming, and well, we've learnt that we shouldn't just use GhostWriters for making projects.
Yeah.
And goodbye, everyone in the chat. I'll put the team link in the description, in the chat. Sorry.
All right.
So you can have a look at the repels if you would like.
Yeah, have fun using my unfunctional Twitter.
Yeah. Goodbye, everyone.